Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tomato sauce in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, of course, if you want to cook something, you need to unlock the cooking hobby. And then after you unlock the cooking hobby, you're going to start to cook something. You're going to use the stove and then select the mixed jam recipe. And for this recipe, I think you will automatically get it after you unlock the cooking hobby. And then we're going to change the ingredients. Since we want to make tomato sauce, we're going to replace it with tomato. Okay, just like this. And then you're going to click on start cooking, and then don't forget to adjust the heat level so you won't get the bizarre food. Okay, it's still loading. Adjust the heat level. Okay, almost done. All right, and as you can see guys, that I just unlocked the tomato sauce. And next time, if you want to cook the tomato sauce again, you can use the recipe. Okay guys, and that's how you can make tomato sauce in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.